Welcome to JS Contractor Inc. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of building your online resume. First, visit our website at www.jscon.com.ph. Click Sign Up to create your account with us online. First step, you will be prompted to enter your personal information such as your name, contact details, and other information. Click the Upload Profile Image button to upload your profile image in formal attire. Click the Upload Resume button to upload your resume in Word or PDF format. To obtain your payos, click the link provided, then follow the step-by-step instructions. Fill in the form with carefulness with all the information needed for you to create your account.
Sabihin nyo to sa kanya, ang puso ko'y nahihirapan na. Ano pa ba ang pwede kong gawin na uubra upang maakit siya? Palagay kaya ako ng tato, magpatubo ng balbas sa nguso, magpalaki ng muscle sa braso, magpadagdag ng puwet kay belo.
It is important to check the reCAPTCHA in order for you to proceed on to the next step, then click Submit. Step 2. You will be prompted to enter your education details. You can add your education from primary to college, then click Next Step button to proceed on to the third step.
Alam mo bang walang kasing saya sa tuwing ika'y aking nakikita, ngunit malaki din ang problema dahil hanggang ngayon.
Step 3. You will be prompted to enter your work experience from previous to present, then click Next Step button to proceed on to the fourth step.
Step
4. You will be prompted to enter your achievement with Atlas to 100 characters. This will also help your application with us to be pre-selected by our prominent client abroad. Remember to keep your resume concise and highlight your most impressive achievements. After completion, you will be redirected to our sign-in page for you to access your account. You can now sign in your account. Congratulations! You have now created your professional online resume with JS Contractor Inc. You can now see how it appears to potential employers. You are free to edit your profile and monitor the progress of your application with us. Make sure the completion is in 100% to help your application and be seen by our prominent client. We are here to help you build a successful career. Thank you for watching and